We're taking a closer look at a classic DSLR that once defined the mid-range professional photography segment, the Nikon D200. Design build quality. The Nikon D200 has a magnesium alloy body, giving it a rugged and professional feel. It's weather-sealed, making it resistant to dust and light moisture, perfect for outdoor shoots. The grip is firm, and the button layout is very intuitive for photographers transitioning from film or earlier Nikon DSLRs. Sensor image quality. The D200 comes with a 10.2 megapixel APS-C CCD sensor. While megapixels may seem low compared to today's cameras, the D200 still delivers rich colors, strong dynamic range, and excellent sharpness for prints and digital use. ISO performance ranges from 100 to 1600, expandable to 3200. Autofocus performance. Autofocus is powered by Nikon's Multis AM1000 system with 11 AF points and 7 wide area points. The AF is fast, accurate, and reliable for portraits, landscapes, and even some sports photography. The continuous shooting speed is 5 frames per second, which was considered quite fast at its release. Battery life. The ENEL3E lithium-ion battery offers around 400 to 500 shots per charge, depending on settings and usage. Overall, the Nikon D200 is best suited for photographers who love the look of CCD sensors, those who want a durable and reliable DSLR at an affordable price, or collectors of Nikon's digital history. Thank you so much.